Hello everybody. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you don't mind, before we get started, go ahead and hit the red subscription button down below. Also click on that notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. If you're interested in this unit that I'm wearing, she is a Vanessa hair unit and her name is Nutella, and I will leave the information card for her right here. So today is Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! And I have a unit from Freetress Equal. If I can get her out of the box. And her name is Flirty. This is what Flirty looks like. And it is an invisible part wig. She's shoulder length wavy bob. I have her in the color OT30. And let's take the net off and see what we got. This is what she looks like out of the box. She's got the dark roots, and does it say how long the part is? It's curling iron safe. It's an invisible part wig is what it says. Curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. So here's the underside of the cap. There's your part. It's a middle part, and you have the two combs at the temple, and you have a big comb in the back. So there's no lace to cut off. So, and here's what the parting space looks like on the top. So, it looks like one of those wigs that can be shifted, but we'll see. We're gonna cut off the tag and I'll be right back. So here's Flirty right out of the package, and she's asymmetrical. The waves are very nice. I like the color. It's brown girl friendly. There's the parting. It looks really good. And I got her from Ebony Line, and she was $20.95. Yeah. So not tangling. The cap fits very well. I didn't have to adjust the straps in the back, and I would say that this is all hair friendly. See how she looks. You can see how it falls at an angle. And this is the hair to the back. I hope I'm doing that some justice when I turn around like that. I'm not really a middle part person, but this cannot be shifted, because if I do, it's going to be lopsided. So I'm going to put some powder in the part and decide if I need some wispy hairs, and I'm going to speed through this. Okay, unbeknownst to me, when I started trying to make a wispy hair actually popped out. I thought I was gonna have to make my own. I don't recall it saying anywhere on the card that it had baby hairs. It doesn't. So anyway, this is one of their shake and go units, so it's supposed to be really, really simple. You're not supposed to have to do a whole lot to it, and you don't. And when I make my middle parts, I know some people like to make a wispy hair go that way and then one go that way. I just like to have one that kind of swoops to one side or the other across the part. Because I don't like everything to be so uniform. I like things to be kind of off-centered or off-balance or whatever. I'm just one of those people. And I know some people, that would probably drive them crazy, and it does, you know, kind of help camouflage that line of demarcation, because it's kind of noticeable. I mean, I don't know if somebody's gonna be clocking you that hard, but yeah, so I like this. It's not really my style, but I like it. It's cute, and I just wanted to do something different. I think I would like it better if it wasn't asymmetrical, if it was all just, you know, one length, or if it went like that in the back. And I did experience just a tiny bit of shedding, not a whole lot. And I don't expect to get a lot of tangling either because of the length. So let us wrap this up. And I don't know if I told you, it's a very, very light yaki. Very, very light. You can see that. So, you all, please like, comment, and share. Give it a thumbs up, or you can give it a thumbs down. It doesn't matter. And thank you always for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.